Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced features. Here you'll see the side button, tap on it and click to double press. Now we could see here Quick Launch camera. Now just last press twice the power key button. Now we could see that the camera application successfully enabled. If you wanna just turn off this option, just click to double press the switcher and now the Quick Launch option successfully disabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.